remodeling day one. We've had the yard cleaned up a little bit, so it's not too terrible. Had everything knocked down, and we're going to start the clean out process and get everything done, so we'll see where we're going. Made some good progress in here. Got everything pretty well cleared out of the room. Had this sheet vinyl on the floor. One of the hidden gems that you find. The floor is rotten. It's all wet underneath there. Probably wicking up from the ground. There's not enough ventilation under the house. So we'll end up taking all that out and replacing it. Alright, we made a little bit of progress here. See, we've pretty well cleaned out everything. We've got a little bit of trash left. Started the demo on the kitchen. This is not going to be the kitchen when we're done. We'll end up turning this 2-bedroom, 1-bath into a 3-bedroom, hopefully 2 baths. And what you see right now is just part of the demolition we're going to be doing. Got a lot more coming up. It's a little dark back there yet. We can't see what's going on, but
Do you want me to get this from the other angle?
Good enough. Okay. All right, this weekend we worked and got everything cleaned out. Got all the cabinets knocked down in here. All the trash hauled away. Well, we filled the dumpster up. I guess you could call that hauling it away. It looks a whole lot better. Still, light's bad. It's getting late in the afternoon. I did pick up a tub. I know it's a little early, but when you get a tub and it's cheap, well, you just get it when you can. Here's this back bedroom. This is going to be the kitchen eventually. And of course, we're going to do a lot of work to this floor. We'll dig it all out and replace the joists if we need to. We'll put down new plywood, level everything up. We'll be good to go. And look at here. You can barely see it, but there's a shelf on the wall. I missed that. Nice little shelf. I have to take that down. Might find use for that. There's the walk-in closet that was there. All these doors are going to be going away. So we'll get some new doors in here. Be some nice 6-panel doors. Well, I had the guy come out with the brush hog and he knocked everything down. Some of this he had to run with a weed eater, but he got everything pretty well knocked down. We'll take a walk back here and see what the back looks like. See, it's a whole lot more open now. You can actually walk around. We're still gonna have to deal with this extension where it's all rotted out. I got a nice fig tree here. We'll trim that up and maybe it'll produce some figs for someone. But it's a real nice yard. Well, size-wise anyway. It's still a little bit rough from all the weeds and what have you growing up. We'll still have to take care of the barn, but that'll be down the road a little bit. Got a little bit of junk over here for the scrap man when he comes around. Get $1 or $2 out of that. Oh, the neat thing is, this was loaded up with a lot of furniture and knickknacks and what have you. We sold probably about $200 worth of stuff out of the house. So that was pretty good. Able to make a little bit already on the house and haven't even finished the clean out good. But our demolition is going to be taking place in the next couple weeks and we'll get this thing ready to start putting back together. And just to give you kind of an idea of what kind of trash we took out, you can see I got a 20-yard roll off here and it is almost full of just the stuff that was all in this house. So yeah, we got everything pretty well cleaned up and it's looking much better. Still not 100%, probably not even 5%, but that's okay. Just a work in progress. We'll get there eventually. If you hang out with me on this channel, you'll be able to watch the progress from start to finish. I'll update videos as much as possible to keep you informed of the progress. That way you can see what's going on and you can live this experience with me.